Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export data from TradingView. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is go to TradingView and log into your account. Now scroll down here and click on right here to open this chart. For the next step, you want to click on to trading panel and then choose from this list a broker to connect through. Choose any broker here like paper trading or anyone else, then tap on this connect button from the pop-up window. Now that you are connected through a broker, you can click on to the little arrow next to it down here, and in the drop down menu you can see this option export data. Just simply tap on this export data, then in the drop down choose orders or choose which type of data you want to export. Then simply tap on this export here and your data will be downloaded as an Excel file, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to export data from TradingView. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.